Hi, this is Casey Truby. Let's talk about why accountants are so good at fixing broken companies. Now, I know a little bit about this. Over my lifetime, I've started 7 companies. I took over 14 others, and all but 2 were a success. That's a 90% success rate. I'm pretty proud of that. My wife and I today are leaving accounting to do this full time. Now, here's the reason why. When a business starts to lose money or go out of control, the owner is frustrated. They don't know what to do. As a matter of fact, most of the time, most business owners, when they're in trouble, double their efforts, doing twice as much of the same exact thing that gets them into trouble in the first place. When you step in and help those companies, you're seen as a white knight, and it's a friendly conversation. And the reason we're so good at this is because we understand how to work methodically off of a checklist. As a matter of fact, here are the 72 things that we can do in any business, the specific systems that will turn that company around. And of course, a big part of this is getting a handle on the financials. Looking at what we're doing, what works in this company, let's do more of it, because here's something pretty interesting. In the average small business in America today, 50% of the overhead is allocated to activities that drive a negligible amount to the bottom line, but the current owner just can't cut those things because, well, quite frankly, their cousin works for them, or they bragged off to their mother-in-law about opening a second store. They've got these problems emotionally stapled to their heart, and they just can't get out from underneath it. We know how to look at things like a market, product mix, flowchart, and look for new opportunities in a company that the business owner currently can't see because he's so close to the operation. Let me give you one example. A home healthcare business we were working with was looking for a way to increase revenue, and all they did was, when one of their clients, in the home health care is where we send somebody out to watch grandma during the day, when they got to the point where they had to move to a nursing home, they started negotiating a commission for passing on that client to a nursing home, and it added $38,000 a year in new net profit with no cost. And we know how to look at who else has an interest in helping this company be successful. Let me give you another example. We worked with a copier company in the verge of bankruptcy, and we went to the copier company's insurance agent. They carried the property and casualty and some buy-sell agreements, that sort of thing. We need help. We've got to get more business in here. And the insurance agent, wanting to protect his policies, did a power referral, walked them out into 140 of his other clients, and said, buy copiers from this guy. We can see these things. As accountants, we can look at the thing from a 35,000-foot altitude, and we see all the other opportunities are linked to this client. Plus, we know how to do things methodically. You can get a free report on the 6 ways that going into the buy, fix, and sell a business opportunity fits right into your accounting or tax practice today, and how not only will you be able to take advantage of some of the opportunities sitting out there, but how this will drive revenue and the profitability and equity in your accounting firm right along the same time. Just fill in the form above, and we'll be happy to send it to you. Thanks for listening.